to the basement. Hubby, what do you think?
Beautiful.
So this is kind of like the rec room area. So we'll go this way and to the theater way. This is just gonna be like gym room. All that is gonna be sealed off. As you can see, this is like where the wall is. This is gonna be where the pocket doors will be for this space. And then all this drywall, this is gonna be like a covered, this pole, just like that square. And then here is where our theater is gonna be. And we enter door, and there's gonna be some wall there to cover up everything. And this will be our theater, but it'll end right around.
Mark on the left.
Oh, right there.
Where that exit is.
So very near. And then all this will be storage area. We have all of our units and stuff here. So you can see the theater also this way. But we're not putting the screen here. We're gonna put it on this side here with the projector, and the screen will be there. That way we can have all our seating, since we have more space there than we do on the other end. And then we go to the lovely bathroom. Woo, doesn't all this look complicated? So we have our tub is gonna be set up there, toilet, and then a vanity. And it's gonna just be like a full bathroom over here, downstairs. And then this little nook is where our rough-in for our bar will be.
Bar, but not really.
Yeah, so it's gonna be imaginary once it's completed, because we gotta save some funds to actually get it done. But yeah, they mapped it out so they know pretty much where things will be going, plumbing wise, electrical wise. And then we have like pendants that are supposed to be roughed in the top there. So I'm curious to see how that area is gonna turn out, because I'm very nervous. And then down here is just storage,
And
closets around the pole. And yeah, so it's not gonna be as big and open as it is now, but I still hope we have, you know, a good finished basement that is easy to walk through. And I can't wait to see the star panels. We're having star panels in the theater, baby. Oh yeah.
Now for the grand reveal. This is the aftermath of the finished basement. Let's take a look. As soon as you open the door, we have our Christmas decoration. We're gonna probably still have that up, but this is the nano leaf. I love this baby. It lights up and it sinks into the music that you have, so it's a great entertainment area. Keeps it lively as soon as you enter. And that's little Louie roaming around the house. But we had this ping pong table even when this basement was unfinished, but we had to fold it away during the construction time. But it fits into the place perfectly. This is our storage area. This is where all the games are stored. Let me know if you have any recommendations for new games. We definitely need some. And then the other storage area is just doesn't have shelves, but right now we're just keeping our foldable chairs there. And now going towards the unfinished bar area. So imagine a bar here. This eventually we are going to have a bar once we save enough money. We want to install a bar right here and probably also change out the tiles in this area. We have the plumbing and everything installed, but right now they're just rough-ins. so it'll be easier. But I do want to show you all these houses, hand painted, made by my mother-in-law. She's in heaven looking down at us. She passed away Christmas Eve, so I definitely always try to have those out every Christmas. This is our beautiful full bathroom down here. We stuck with bronze appliances, or like finishings, more like it, the hardware, all that are bronze. And oh my gosh, look at little Louie. He's always wants to be the center of attention. Now we're diving into the unfinished area, where it's just going to be storage and basically everything you see here. It's an organized mess, I have to say. We have boxes for every season, so we know where to look for when we need something. And now we're going back. I definitely love the paint colors that we chose in the basement. I'll make sure to have the description down below. But this is where all the Christmas area is stored. And right now it's a mess because all the Christmas area, or the Christmas decorations, are still out and about. So I will have to try to jam pack them all in there. And now we are going towards the multi-purpose room / gym room. That's a back stretcher that my husband uses for his painful back pains. And then on the other side, we have like a Murphy bed. And basically this will pull out and it'll be I think it's a queen size bed. I'll have to double check, but this was purchased from Wayfair. And I'll make sure to have a full review on it later up on my channel. So make sure you have that notification bell on so you can stay tuned to see it. And we decided to do the pocket doors for this area, and then also keep it glass in case we want to use it as like a playroom, or just makes it easier when you can have it seen and opens up the space even when it's closed. Now going into my favorite part, and probably the husband's favorite part, the cinema room. Where we watch all our movies, where he plays his Xbox games, pretty much everything. This is our lovely little entertainment area. We do not have recliners yet. That's probably going to be a next year purchase, getting recliners. So right now we're just using beanbags on the floors and keeping ourselves cozy while watching a movie that way. And I love these star panels. They have fireworks, media showers. They were custom made depending on what we want. And also a moon that changes colors. And this has been definitely a wow factor. Oh, and I forgot, we also have, I guess, the perimeter lightings as well that you can change the color to. It has its own separate remote control for that. And the star panels themselves are controlled through our app on the phone, and you just change whatever you want. You can make the stars blink, or have different views for them. And this is one of our light up posters that we have. This, I believe, was an Amazon purchase. I'll also try to link it down below if you're interested in getting that. And the popcorn machine also. And so, like I said, this is where the hubster plays his Xbox, as you can see. Anyways, I hope you all had a fabulous tour of our basement. We still definitely have a lot of projects that we still want to tackle on. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you can stay tuned and see what's next. Thank you so much if you're a current subscriber, and God bless. Bye-bye, everyone.